Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you a sheet metal part from the basic. So let's create a drawing on the top plane with the help of rectangle. So give the dimension about 15 inch, give the dimension to it about 5 inch. Then let's create horizontal line, make it construction line, and then also convert it to the dynamic mirror. So let's create another sketch on it and just make it close contour. So for making close contour we need to trim these entities. Let's make it fully define this one as well. It's about 12 inches. Create an angle. Let's make it 11 degree. Okay. Afterwards, what is remaining to this, right? Let's make it 1.3, and then let's directly convert it into the sheet metal part by the help of base flange, right? Let's use gauge table. In gauge table we will use the steel one, the sample table. In that we are going to use 18 gauge instead of 3-1, which is kind of a default, so we can easily perform every feature and also forming tool as well. So let's provide another sketch in this one. Let's do it. Make vertical line, then give dimension to it about 3.3, right? Then just take an offset from this. Oh, I'm sorry. Just take an offset 3.3 in the reverse direction. Again choose offset entities in reverse direction. Again just take offset entities and reverse direction of the 3.3 inch, right? And let's create a one line over here. Just make it fully defined. 7.1. That's fine. Then let's just create it by the help of sketched band. So once we choose this surface, it will automatically convert it into the desired one. So let's provide the 60 degree over here to get the desirable object. Yes, this is the object we wanted. So there we go. After that we will provide a material over here, plain carbon steel. So the color is going to be changed. Afterwards let's provide a flange over here. Let's do it, Edge-flange, and let's provide it on this direction. Let's give a direction about 60 degree, and it will be about 1.1. Okay, and I just want to change the geometry of Edge-flange, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this vertical relation from here and just move this point in this direction as per to get my desirable geometry. Make 0.7, just provide angle, it's 12 degree, and then exit from this sketch. so it will automatically take the shape that we wanted. Okay, so let's choose this edge flange and this front plane in order to make it mirror. Just click OK and see, mirror is done at a 60-degree angle. Okay, now we are going to apply the forming tool or in this surface or in this surface as well. So let's go to the design library. In the design library there is a forming tool, it's called a louvers over here, and let's provide the louvers right at the center of this face. It is in the opposite direction, so just flip it, and we don't provide any angle because it should be a straight one. So let's do it, and it is asking for us to give a particular direction in the dimension, but it's nice, this looks perfect. So let's provide again the sheet metal gusset over here on the between this and this surface. So let's do it. So here we get the gusset that we wanted. Provide the offset distance that we want. We want in the middle or in the different direction as per our requirement, right? So we are just taking offset as 2.3 and depth should be about 0.6 of that depth, right? And let's get width as 0.75 inch, so it can withstand easily. So we have provided the gusset as well. Okay, and at the end we are supposed to provide the edge-flange over here as well. So let's do it over here. But you can see it goes into the perpendicular direction, but we want the parallel to this top plane. So let's provide desirable angle to make it parallel. So there we go. And from here you can provide the distance as well. Okay, so this is done from my side that we have provided. Let's just make it quite shorter. Okay, let's give the direction about 0.9. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so these things we have done, and this is the end of the part that we wanted to create. So see you in the next video. Thank you.